The cameraman is doing his business. Not that type of business. Mason, man. Chicken.
Now, camera, don't touch that camera. You're dead to me.
Oh, look, we're holding it the stupid way. Mason, we're holding it the stupid way.
You want to have a bug? You do. Here's a bug. It's a bug.
How do you know that's not a tick?
Does that look like a tick?
No, does it?
No.
How do you know it's not a deer tick?
Plus they like ticks.
How do you know it's not a deer tick?
They eat them. They eat deer ticks. And plus it doesn't bite.
Deer ticks are so small.
Not this small.
They're smaller than that.
Gonna eat that. Well then, can someone hold this? Can you grab it? Eat it!